Hi, I'm Clark Drum with Kitson Yachts. Welcome aboard the 65 Estrella from HCB, the world's largest center console. Starting at the transom here, we have 5 425 horsepower Yamaha engines, joystick operated, bow and stern thruster as well. We have comfortable room for 4 with a 16-foot beam. There's plenty of room back here for fishing, entertaining, or whatever we want to do. Down here we have dual fish boxes, both with freezer plates installed. And moving forward, we have the mezzanine seating area. Comfortably sits 3 to 4. We have dual refrigeration on both sides, storage below, great place to watch the fish. Here at the helm of the 65 Estrella, we have a bench seating area here, wraparound couch, adjustable table, helm seating that is adjustable down to make an entire dining area here. We also have heat and air conditioning throughout. Another unique feature I'd like to point out is this walk-in machinery space. Gives you access to your seakeeper, your generator, and all your electronics. Coming up here to the helm, we have 3 Garmin screens, 24 inches. We have our backup switches here. And the entire boat is operated by the C-Zone system, lights, machinery, whatever you need right here. Coming up here, best seat in the house, a lounger on the bow, adjustable table, goes all the way to the floor, also has a sun pad attachment for lounging on the front. Forward of that, we have our windlass anchor, easy to operate and easy to maneuver. Now let's head into the cabin to show you the accommodations on this 65. First thing you'll notice in the cabin area down here is the high gloss teak finish on the cabinetries and the floor. We have 2 skylights with blackout shades. Here's the master stateroom. Another unique feature about the cabin on the 65 is the Pullman that comes down here, gives you space to sleep one more. Thanks again for joining me on this 2021 65 Estrella from HCB. I'm Clark with Kitson Yachts. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or you'd like to step on board yourself.